Areas of interest (AOI), or more commonly known as measuring regions, are an integral part of the image analysis in LMK LabSoft software. It is necessary for many statistical evaluations to select not only the image for analysis, but also a specific region of the image where the evaluation is expected to be performed. In order to generate a measuring region, you can either right-click through the mouse button on the image in use, or from the options available in the main menu under the Regions tab. Once you select the type of measuring region, you can draw it by keeping the left click of the mouse pressed and dragging it over a certain area in the image. The types of measuring regions available in the LMK LabSoft software are rectangle, line, circle, polygon, polyline, circular ring, and ellipse. All information about generating each region specifically can be found in the LMK LabSoft manual under Chapter 9, the Measuring Regions. In order to shift, duplicate, or delete a region, it must be marked. There are three ways to mark a measuring region. 1. Click on a region and it will be marked, and all the regions previously marked will no longer be marked. 2. With Shift plus click, more than one regions on a given image can be marked. 3. By drawing a circumscribing rectangle with the help of the mouse around the regions to be marked. A measuring region can be shifted if the cursor is on a marked region and the shift cursor is activated. By keeping the mouse click pressed, drag the marked region to the desired position. To duplicate a measuring region, the procedure is same as shifting, but keep the Control key pressed. The program recognizes it as the copy cursor and your region will be duplicated. Similarly, you can delete a measuring region by right-clicking the mouse button and selecting Delete or pressing the key Del on the keyboard. The contour points of a measuring region can be shifted, added, or deleted as required. If you take the cursor onto a contour point of a measuring region, you can simply click and drag it into a new position. Inserting a contour point can only be done in a polygon-shaped measuring region. Place the cursor over any point on the edge of a marked polygon, right-click and select Insert Point, or press Ctrl plus Insert on the keyboard. If a polygon has more than 3 corners, you can take your cursor to any contour point and either right-click and select Delete Point, or press Ctrl plus Delete on the keyboard. For statistical luminance analysis, images in which measuring regions are either not joined together or are very complicated in shape can be combined geometrically in the form of groups. The program offers 3 types of grouping. With Group OR, the statistical analysis will be carried out for all those pixels which belong to at least one of the 2 regions involved. With Group AND, the statistical analysis will be carried out for all the regions present in a group. With Group XOR, the statistical analysis will be carried out in one of the regions in a group. Further information on this topic can be found in the manual under Chapter 9.2. LMK LabSoft offers a variety of ways to edit, modify, and delete the measuring regions through the Region Properties dialog. For this, go to Regions, Properties, and it will open a new panel with a number of editing options for the regions. Select any shape, press Create, and the shape will appear. You can use this dialog to create new measuring regions with exact dimensions as required. In the tab Attributes, you can modify and edit the properties of the flags that appear with each region. It offers a number of options to choose from according to your requirement. In the Shift tab, you have the option to place your region exactly and accurately at a certain place by entering the required values in the respective boxes. With this option, you can even change the axis points as well as the angle of rotation. However, rotating and scaling are influenced by the option Every Region Separately. If this option is not turned on, the regions are commonly rotated around a central point. If it is checked, each region has its own central point, where the rotation will be performed. The same option is also valid for scaling of regions. With the help of Duplicate tab, you can make a copy of certain region with desired measurements and specifications. LMK LabSoft comes with different options for cursors, especially in the area of measuring regions. There are different cursor modes offering different functions. Standard cursor is the most commonly used type of cursor. While working with the standard cursor, the status bar shows information about the image value, and if this cursor is moved over a measuring region, the status bar gives information about this particular region or its contour points. As the name says, the enlargement cursor allows an image region to be enlarged. To select a special range of enlargement, drag and draw a rectangle from the top left corner of the region to the bottom right corner. To return to the full image, drag and draw a rectangle from the bottom right to the top left corner. A rectangle cursor shows a histogram of image values in the window below the current image. The histogram changes according to the rectangular shape of the cursor. The same goes for circular as well as the ring cursor. The line cursor allows a luminance or a color selection view in a window below the current image. The view differs for a color and a monochrome image. Further information on this topic can be found in the manual under Chapter 11.